It's really coming together. We got these three guys in here. Exactly how I thought they'd go in. The beam is a 1/2 inch from touching the subfloor right there because that floor above is not level. And we got about a 3/16 12 up pitch, upslope on the beam from there to give us an equal gap, because right down here we got a 1/2 inch gap from the subfloor, and right here where the middle is, it's touching. And it just turned out fabulous, exactly how I thought. And wow, it's a beefy situation. Huh? Beefy. Beefy. Yeah.